Yes. Okay, what are we doing today, guys? Tell the vlog.
We're kloofing.
What's kloofing?
Like rock climbing, where you jump into waterfalls and height.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Maybe you should ask the expert.
Our expert over here. Getting some sandwiches. Ollie, you were popular on my last vlog. Do you have
Was I
anything?
actually?
You were. I got a lot of comments about you.
How are you doing?
So you're gonna be on the vlog again.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say about today?
I like jumping and I like water, so this should
You're
be.
excited. Yeah.
I am excited.
Yay.
I think so. Like
Peppa Pig.
yeah, that and
Oh. Thanks for being on like an hour audio.
I'm on the vlog.
Yeah, you're on the vlog. Oh my god, my back's on the vlog. Oh, my sunburn.
pre-event today. It's the pre-event. The rugby is the pre-event.
I heard, but I'm sure.
No. Yeah.
Updates for the vlog?
Updates for the vlog. We're walking in mountains right now. Yeah, it's quite cool.
How are you feeling?
How am I feeling? I'm a bit hot, I'm a bit sweaty.
Yeah,
but I'm
you're
loving
carrying you and Malia's stuff?
life. Yeah.
Carrying for two?
I'm basically donkey man. kind of just vibing, kind of just going serenely at our own pace. Taking up the trail, bringing the banter.
Yep. The dad jokes?
Yeah.
You have a joke for the camera, Ollie?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
What?
Interrupting cow.
Interrupting.
Moo.
Wow, that one's gold.
Right, so we got an injured Mimi.
The first
Mimi, say hi to
victim.
the camera.
Hello.
Sweet. That is pretty awesome. That's how it happened.
I was just walking along and then all of a sudden I slipped on the rocks and boom, down she goes.
Down she goes.
It's okay. Could you bring the shoes?
Anyone need a bit of red ink, huh? Right, this is beautiful. This is me. This is the.
Yeah, just
Is this the gorge? No.
probably 2
I don't really know. This is sort of a bit of water. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Yeah. I find it so cool how the landscape has been shaped by water throughout time. Let us know in the comments what you think about that. Yeah. Cool. This is Francois and Stain. Not Francois and Stain, Francois and Zane. Francois and Stain. That's a South African rugby player. But yeah, Dale Stain is the best Stain. Right, we'll leave it on that.
I mean, you could put a band.
Right, we've had a little injury. There's the bandage.
There's the aftermath.
That's a massive snake attack.
Yeah.
Francois, what's your thoughts on that injury?
Yeah, the snake was big, man.
Yeah, huge. Zane, your thoughts?
She's got about 5 hours to live,
Yeah,
so that's
yeah.
5 hours of fun.
Yeah.
There we go. That's all I need.
Yeah, please.
Daddy. Hey. Hello. We've reached Suicide Gorge. It's over there. Almost there. Woo! We made it! This is the beginning. How are you feeling, Ivan?
Solid.
Excited to get some jumping in. We're gonna head down that way.
They say most of the places now you can walk around. Maybe.
Ollie?
Phil.
You want to say anything? Your last words.
I look great. I really do look good. Right, I'm gonna have fun and see more in about 2 seconds, I imagine.
I can pull up and get all the way.
Onto the toilet seat and then slide right down.
Not gonna lie, that was scary.
Congratulations, already gone. That's done. Sergeant Ollie reporting for duty. 3, 2, 1. What is that?